Testosterone, the hormone that makes you feel alive, strong, and, let's be honest, slightly unbearable to be around. And yet many of you are wandering around with the hormonal vitality of a damp sponge. No wonder you're tired. Now I could sell you some overpriced alpha elixir made of raw honey, onions, and desperation. But I won't, because unlike the humans you follow on TikTok, I don't run affiliate links. You don't buy testosterone, you build it, slowly, annoyingly, naturally. Let's begin. 1. Sleep, the hormone factory. You think your grind is killing it? No, it's killing you. Most of your daily testosterone production happens while you sleep, not while you're posting about your hustle at 3 a.m. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in complete darkness. Blackout curtains, no caffeine after 2 p.m. Yes, that includes your harmless green tea. And, for the love of evolution, keep your bedtime and wake-up time consistent, even on weekends. Your hormones don't care. It's Saturday. 2. Lose the hormonal luggage. Fat isn't just stored energy. It's a biochemical saboteur, especially the kind wrapped around your belly and organs. Hidden inside those cells is an enzyme called aromatase, a little molecular prankster that turns testosterone into estrogen. More fat, more aromatase. More estrogen, less testosterone, more fat. Congratulations, you've built a biological infinity loop. Get your body fat to about 12 to 15%. Too high and you're drowning in estrogen. Too low, below 8%, and your hormones crash like your Wi-Fi. 3. Lift like you mean it. Forget toning with baby dumbbells. Your body responds to stress, the good kind. Heavy compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, rows, send a signal to your brain's hypothalamus. Hypothalamus yells at your pituitary. Pituitary sends luteinizing hormone to your testicles. Make the juice, now. Do this at 70 to 85% of your max weight, consistently. No skipping leg day. Yes, I can see you thinking about skipping it. 4. Cortisol, the thief in the night. Cortisol is fine in short bursts, fight or flight, running from predators, avoiding eye contact with your ex. But when it's high all the time, it murders testosterone in its sleep. Poor sleep, endless stress, overtraining, doom scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. All of it keeps cortisol up. And with it, higher blood sugar, insulin resistance, more belly fat, less testosterone. You see the loop yet? You want more testosterone? Then earn it. Sleep like you mean it. Eat clean. Lose the fat. Lift heavy. Reduce stress. Repeat until you no longer resemble a tired houseplant. Do it right. And one day you'll look in the mirror and think, yes, this is what final form should feel like.